this is one of our newest prototypes that we have right now. It's called the AX20 Field Kit. What's great about this monitor is that it comes built in with this hard case. You just put the front cover on in the back and the front, and you can go ahead and just carry it around with you everywhere you want. And it makes it nice and easy because we have a, you can put it on to the light stand mount or a speaker mount. The greatest features on this is that it has the Hdr Preview. So this is the flat footage. You can turn on the preview and you can adjust the HDR levels, and also if it, depending on what kind of log file it was filmed in, you can go ahead and select that as your log, along with the gamuts. And of course, as you can see here, another feature is that it has all the Rgb Parade, the vector scope, waveform, histogram, and color histogram. Normally the audio will show up here, but this clip doesn't have audio, so the audio isn't showing. Alright? And all of these functions here can actually be remapped to whatever you want it to be. Like currently we have F2 as the false color, and then we have the guide for the F3. So you get different guides depending on what you're shooting. So that's a summary of one of our latest products for this one. Alright, so we have two different quad monitors right now. This one is the AX17 and this is the D24. The difference is that this one is a quad input for HDMI, while this one is a quad input for up to SDI. So this one can do SDI for 3G. This has 4 input for 3G SDI and 2 HDMI inputs. So you can combine any of these 6 however you want to form 4 different views. So it's really good for broadcast things, so you can see what's going on all your cameras. And this one would be a little bit more budgety, or more budget because it allows you to do HDMI and only has 1 SDI, but also has DVI and VGA. Alright, we have a Blitz wireless system, which we have 3 different versions. A 400 feet, which is this one right here, and then we have a 2000 and a 1000. The great thing about this ours is that they all use this 2000 right here. It's actually the same as the 1000. So if you buy the 1000 and you want to upgrade later, you would just buy this antenna right here and attach it on, and you would go up to 2000 feet. And these are all 0 delay lag, 10 channels. So they work fairly well. We haven't had any complaints on them. So this is the 1000. It's currently broadcasting from like our ME200 camera rig set up over there, you can see. So all the footage is getting broadcasted wirelessly over there.
Video Guys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.